Hi, and welcome to Starlight House. I'm Prashant, and this is your weekly reading for Sun, Moon, Venus rising in Taurus. This is a general reading, so may not resonate with everyone, but if it does, there's an extended to it. The link for that extension is below in the description box. I hope you like the reading, and if you do, please do like, subscribe, and share. That would be very helpful. Thank you. So Taurus, welcome to November. I know, right? 2 months just to end 2020. Are you excited? I hope you are. How did Halloween go? Anything exciting? Alright, let's see what we're thinking of. Ace of Swords, clarity. Using that clarity, let's see what we get. Seven of Wands, finding new opportunities, showing our expertise, competitiveness. Page of Swords, exploring past. Four of Coins, Four of Pentacles, trying to create stability with money. Mind's ambition, Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fate. Heart's desire, Ten of Coins, a lot of stability coming your way. Future situations, Two of Swords, some sort of legal discussions or conflict resolution. Suggested advice or action, Devil energy. Context for this advice or action, Chariot. So probably seems like some sort of lack of self-belief. That's where the exploring energy and expertise, like belief and expertise, is coming along the way. In the past, you were not believing in yourself to create Pentacles. The transformation, connection to yourself, to your mind and heart is happening with you reaching. Start thinking about and start re-believing that you can create this abundance and stability. Ten of Pentacles pointing towards that stability exists in the future. But you restarted to believe yourself, which in past you stopped doing so for some reason. That some reason is this was a possible conflict or a legal situation that blocked this movement. And now that's you're being able to overcome it with Wheel of Fate, Wheel of Fortune. Hopes and fears, Hierophant card, connection to mind and heart. That will allow you to move forward, give you this chariot energy, and potential outcome. Eight of Coins, achievements, Pentacles, accolade coming your way. Okay, so it seems like there was some sort of conflict or a legal dispute in the past that blocked your ability to make money, to create this stability with Pentacles. See how in this Four of Pentacles card, you're looking in the past at the Pentacles, or you're looking at like Pentacles with a really low vibration. It's like as if you're miserly about it. And the reason for that is you might not have achieved or got to the stability or success you were hoping for, because you're hoping for a lot of, like Ten of Pentacles, there's a lot of stability, a lot of security, a lot of abundance. But that conflict in the past created this lack of self-belief, doubt in ourselves, that stopped us from moving ahead. We got stuck in our own mental blocks and could not proceed, or we got stuck with those legal disputes and could not proceed. You're now realizing with this Wheel of Fortune that everything bad was supposed to happen, everything good is going to happen. Wheel of Fortune reminds us that all the turns, good or bad, are equally important. Bad turns make us realize and help us grow and modify and even make a stronger character. Good turns remind us of our achievements, of time well spent. The energy we spent in positive growth came out with positive result. So everything is meant to happen. You realizing that connecting to your mind and heart, you're becoming this wise leader. Wise leader who not only trusts itself, but also starts investing and using that expertise for future further growth. The Page of Swords is a very explorative card. It's like exploring further how you can grow. See how in this card you're looking at the butterfly with such enthusiasm. It's like the world can be achieved again. It's like new energy, new vibration, new positivity. And it's happening because you're able to now control your mind and heart. Instead of fearing new opportunities, instead of fearing tough situations, instead of fearing hard projects or financial opportunities, you're charging at them. See how in this Chariot card, there are two cats, one dark, one light. It's basically you're able to master the mystery of the darkness, and your own strength and light moves you forward. There is no doubt in your head anymore. And you're able to channel your own light, bring back that self-confidence, that passion, that energy to move forward and move ahead. Clearly, it seems that you would overcome this devil. Suggestion is that if you find still being stuck inside your own head, ask yourself tough questions about that lack of self-confidence, the reason for procrastination of work, or the doubt that you're creating in your own head. And it often would make you realize, often you would realize that it's your own fear of not able to pursue the opportunity with the fullest dedication. And that's a really hard realization, realizing that we are stopping our own success. It's a very hard realization, because it's easier to put that blame outwards, that someone else, that conflict that happened or that legal dispute that happened is the reason for why you cannot proceed. It's very easy to do that, to put that blame outwards. Realizing that we create our own devil, realizing that we get stuck in our own bondage, realizing that we create our own fears, and we get stuck inside them. The more negative things we think of, the more negative vibrations we create, the negative thoughts that dwell in our head, all of that only creates negative situations. For us to move to a positive direction, we have to lose that fear, we have to lose that lack of self-confidence, we have to lose that negativity about us. Be positive, put efforts in your own growth, put efforts in your own skill. The reminder is that you have to believe in your own expertise, explore with a positive vibe, positive energy. Achievements, pentacles, all coming your way. Wheel of Fortune is in your favor, pointing also towards that every bad turn is equally as important as a good turn. Bad turn reminds us what we need to still learn, what lessons are important for us in this lifetime. Good turns remind us with positive achievements that the efforts we're spending, the skills we are putting in, are honing, all of them are bringing positive vibe, positive results, accolades, achievements, stability, and pentacles. So it's very important for you to release this devil, release this fear, release this negativity, release your lack of belief in yourself. For whatever reason you stop exploring or finding new ways to create abundance, that has to be let go of. That lack of enthusiasm, the procrastination related to this exploration, trying to find creative ways to grow, the enthusiasm to go and cherish everything about yourself, that needs to be brought back. Become this wise leader, one who is connected to mind and heart, one who understands the mystery of darkness and can channel their own inner light, inner energy to move forward. Your achievements are waiting for you. To conclude this reading, in the past you were dwelling too much about not able to create abundance for self, make these pentacles. You're looking miserly at the money or some block in terms of a conflict or a legal dispute or a legal block came along the way that stopped your growth. The situation that whatever stopped you was here to remind you that you need to learn some lessons and then grow and move ahead. The Wheel of Fortune is in your favor. You need to release your lack of self-belief, lack of self-worth, release your own devil. Master the mystery of darkness. Learn to channel your light and express it very creatively. Become a wise leader, one who can channel and connect to both mind and heart. Become that wise leader, believe in yourself, and use that self-confidence, self-belief to further grow, to further expand, to explore new opportunities with enthusiasm, with a lot of courage, with a lot of positivity. Your achievements are on the way. This abundance that you're hoping for is on the way. The good and the positivity is on the way. Recreate self-belief, channel your inner light, become a wise leader, charge forward. Lose this devil, lose the fear. I hope this reading resonated with you, and if it did, I have an extended for it. In the extended, I would look more at the current overall energy, how you can balance more this conflict inside your mind or lack of self-belief. Once you balance, messages from the oracle regarding this transformation and timing behind when you can expect these achievements and this pentacle energy coming your way. All of that, I would look in the extended. If you would like to join me, the link for that is below in the description box. I hope you liked the reading, and if you did, please do like, subscribe, and share. Remember, the abundance is coming your way, and have an amazing week. Bye.